Hi, Namaskar. Welcome to Candles and Wicks YouTube channel. Candles and Wicks YouTube channel में आपका स्वागत है. Today we will learn how candles are formed. आज हम कैंडल का फॉर्मेशन कैसा होता है उसके बारे में सीखेंगे और समझेंगे. As you are aware, stock prices fluctuate very fast. This movement of price is captured in a candle. Let's understand. Let's say the price opens at this place. The price opens at this place and it moves up. So green candle body is formed. Now if the price further moves up, the body gets enlarged. If the body moves further up, the body gets enlarged. And from this place, if the price comes down, the body remains green, but it forms a tail or wick or shadow. If it comes down further, it forms a bigger tail. If it comes down further, it forms a bigger tail. And say if the price goes below the opening price, a red candle is formed. If the price goes below the opening price, if this is the opening price, if it goes below this, a red candle is formed. Now let's understand how the red candle is formed. Say for example, the price opens here and it comes down. This is the opening price, and if it comes down, a red body is formed. If it comes down further, body gets enlarged. If it comes down furthermore, body gets enlarged. Now from here, if it retracts, यहाँ से अगर पीछे वापस कम हो जाता है प्राइस, तो instead of red candle going down, a wick is formed, so that we understand that कि यहाँ पर this was the price which it came to. Now, if it goes further down, if it goes further up, the wick is enlarged. If it goes further up, the wick becomes larger. And if it goes beyond the open price, if it goes beyond the open price, a green candle is formed. So we understand from open price, if the price goes up, green candle is formed, and from the open price, if the price goes down, then a red candle is formed. This is a full candle. Here, this is the open price. Here, this is the close price. This is the candle high and the candle low. From candle low to candle high, this is called the complete candle. And from open to close price, it is called the candle body. And these high price to close price and open price to low price, it is called wick, tail or shadow. Some people call it wick, some people call it tail, and some people call it shadow. This is again the same but a bearish candle. Bearish candle is red candle. Here the open price is on the higher side and the close price is on the lower side. In the green candle, open price is lower side and close price is on the higher side. This is the complete candle. This is the candle body. This is the candle body, and this is the candle wick or tail or shadow. This same like the green candle. Just wanted to explain in a that is a bullish candle and this is a bearish candle. Now let us understand how it moves. Here you can see the live movement of the candle. This particular candle is a bearish candle. The open price is at this place and from open price it is moving down, and you can see as the candle moves down, its lower end is also changing. And similarly here you can see this is the open price and now the price is going down, so it is forming a red candle. And as the price moves up in this candle, you will see it is forming a green candle. So this is how the candles are formed. Now let's see the charts here in the market. You can see time frames here, and D is daily, 1H is hourly, 15M is 15 minutes, 5M is 5 minutes, 1M is 1 minute. Likewise, you have different time frames set here. When you click here, on the down arrow, you will see a various time frames available. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and 12 months. So whatever time frame you select, one candle will represent that time frame. Say for example, now it is daily, so this particular candle is representing today. This candle is representing today, this previous day, and this previous working day, and this will likewise. Now if we select 1 hour, then each candle is representing, this candle is 1 hour and this is the current candle, this is previous 1 hour and this is previous 1 hour. Now if I select 15 minutes here, now you can see that this is the current candle and this is the last 15 minutes candle and this is the previous 15 minutes candle, this is the previous. So each candle, depending upon the time frame selected, that represent that time frame, the candle price movement in that particular time. Now if I select 1 minute, you can see that this candle represent the current 1 minute, this previous 1 minute, and this one previous 1 minute. So each candle is capturing the price movements of this particular one moment. So you can see after 1 minute changes here, you can see that 25 seconds left, 24 seconds left for this candle to finish. And we will see that moment this 1 minute is over, a new candle is formed. So this candlestick formation is the representation of price movement in a particular time frame. Now you can see that the candle has changed and here it is, you can see it is 55 seconds, 54 seconds, 53 seconds. So this, in this, as we have selected 1 minute time frame, each candle represents 1 minute. Hope you understood the candle formation. This video is made to make beginners understand the process of candle formation. Hope you like the content of the video. Please like the video and share it with your friends. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and get notified of the updates by clicking on the bell icon. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video with another subject and information. Thank you.